All right. This is the study guide that was sent home Monday evening. Tuesday, the students have a word problem quiz, like a model drawing word problem quiz. And it's very simple, just like the very first day that we started averages. I should have had that test on Friday, but missed it, so I want to make sure we get that in for their grade and to make sure that they understand what they're doing. The first one says the average of these four numbers, 14, 48, 39, 23 is, okay. I'm going to start out by drawing, there's four numbers, okay, and if I wanted to label it, I'd put numbers over here next to it, okay. And my bar has four numbers, 1, 2, 3, and they could be all different sizes. In fact, they are all different sizes at this time. The boxes should be, but don't have quite enough room on my page to do that, okay. Writing in all my numbers, 14, 48, 39, and 23 over here. What we don't know yet is the totals. We need to get the totals. The way we get the total is adding up those four numbers. I would do it over here, but I don't have any space to do that. Actually, I think I could do it like this. Make sure that you guys can still see what I'm doing if I do that. Okay. How's that? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to add those up. 14, 48, 39, 23. Add those up. I get 17, 24, 2, 3, 7, 9, 10, 12. 124. So my total is 124. Right? So we're going to draw another bar. This second bar should be about the same length as the first one, but all these boxes should be the same size. Okay? My total is 124. Right? Now my question mark goes here because I need to know what goes in each one of these boxes now. All of these boxes are the same. Remember, the average goes in each one of these boxes. So the way you figure out what goes in each one of these boxes is 4 dividing into 124. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 12. Bring down my 4. 131. So the average is 31. Okay? So each one of these boxes would have 31 in them. We talked about how to check our work too. We could go 31 plus 31 plus 31 plus 31 because all these boxes add up to be 124, right? So 6 and 6 is 12. That would check out, right? So 31 is our answer. Circle that. Okay. I'm not going to go through all the word problem stuff for the next one. We'll just do the work rather quickly just to check and make sure we have the right answers. So for this one, if you're thinking about it, you can think about it this way, but also for the test on Friday, on Wednesday, not necessary to draw all this, necessary to understand this so you can use this later in the process. But this, we want the average of the following set of numbers: 330, 289, 703, and 908. Now we talked about in class a couple things where that the average had to be lower than the highest number and higher than the lowest number. So immediately I know my highest number is 908. 2,996 cannot possibly be an average, right? All the other numbers pretty much in the running. 289 is my lowest, 308 is the highest. So, okay, so immediately let's just go from there. We're going to add the four numbers together. 330, 289, 703, 908. Okay, so we got 8 and 9 is 17, 18, 19, 20. Right? 8, 9, 10, 13. Okay. 9 plus 7 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That didn't sound right. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Try that again. Right? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. 2,230. We want the average, we need to divide by 4. Right? 4. 2,230. 2 goes into 22. 5 times 20. 5 times again. Oh goodness, not going to be a pretty one, is it? Let's try 7. Right? 7 times 4, 14. 14 is 28. Okay, we're left with 2. got a decimal there now. That was the end of our number. We need to bring down another 0 we can work with. That makes us 5. So 557.5. And you know, we can have a decimal for our average. We can have a fraction for our average. We talked about that in class. Okay?